Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Today We Dine. I'm your host, Chris D'Angelo, and on this episode, we're going to be cooking some...
Whoa. I'm BennyXD, and I'm the host. And today, we're going to be cooking chicken parm. Now let's get the show on the road. Today we have a little bit of a long list of ingredients, so bear with me. For our seasonings, we got salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and crushed red peppers. To coat our chicken parm, we're going to be using Italian-style breadcrumbs, some flour, and 3 beaten eggs. Then to fry our chicken parm, we're going to be using canola oil. We then are going to add our tomato sauce, our fresh mutts, and our Parmigiana on top of the chicken parm. Lastly, we're going to cook a little bit of spaghetti, and then you're good to go.
So the first step is to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. There you go.
Now you're gonna grab your chicken breasts, throw them in a Ziploc bag, and then flatten them out.
Now it's time to beat your meat.
For me personally, normal breadcrumbs are a little bit boring. So now we're gonna add some of the seasonings. Now before we start coating our chicken, let's prep our pan, so all we have to do is just turn it on and then we're good to go. In order to prep your pan, all you're gonna do is pour a bunch of canola oil into the pan and then have it ready to be turned on to a high heat.
So now you want to take your chicken breast, you want to add it into your egg, make sure it coats both sides. Take it from here and dip it into your flour. Again, you want to get both sides. And then you want to put it into your breadcrumbs. Again, dipping it into both sides of the chicken. You're now going to add your chicken to the pan, but be careful.
After about 2 minutes, it should be golden crispy. Then flip it. Once it's done, throw it into your baking sheet. Now you're gonna just keep this on standby while you prep the other chicken breasts.
So now we're gonna add our can of tomato sauce. Next, we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese. Lastly, we're gonna add our fresh mutts.
Now that our chicken parm is all set, we're just gonna throw it into the oven for about 20 minutes. You're good to go.
Now we're gonna cook our pasta for a nice side dish. After about 15 to 20 minutes, our chicken parm should be done.
Oh. Now that our chicken parm is done, let's get to tasting.
Oh man, the cheeses add so much flavor to it. It's crispy. It's delicious.
Chicken's cooked perfectly. It's not dry at all. There's not too much sauce. It's freaking delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. We'll see you guys next week on Today We Dine.
Take it easy.